like to introduce what we did in April. Mainly, we did three things. 1. Pranayama exercises using mini preparation level 1, level 2, level 3 for each level of student. 2. For sight reading, we used Angels Like You. 3. For understanding the left hand chord movement, making left hand chord accompaniment, we used violin pieces from Tanjiro no Uta, Demon Slayer. We'd like to introduce these three things on this video. Hope this helps your study or when you have class. Thank you. This music has an interesting left hand chord movement. Or left hand is moving, stepping down, stepping up, not the regular movement. For example, so learning left hand chord movement from this music is a really good study. Also, there is a change from E minor to G major. We can learn G major chord movement too.